Something's going on. I think my hive's about to swarm. I've never seen anything like this. Oh no. This is crazy. What is going on here? Oh boy. If she comes out, I hope she doesn't go far. Whoa. Oh, bees all over my yard. Oh my gosh. I have thousands of bees going across my yard. Wow, I've never seen anything like this. They definitely have a swarm going on. There's like a hovering of bees in my yard. Half the bees came out. They're swarming right by my apple tree. And they're starting to land all over it. Wow. Never seen anything like this. I guess I gotta let them land. Oh boy. Hopefully it'll land in that little cedar tree. I don't know. Oh, they're going up high now. They're going really high. God, look at them all. And right there, they're all on that one branch. Oh, I see them balling up now. Yeah, they just swarmed. I'm gonna set up another box and try to grab this baby. I'm gonna let them calm down for a second. My bees just swarmed, which means the queen left. I gotta try to capture that and put it in a new hive. Just got to get them to go in. It's so bright I can't even see. Well, the hive is pretty calm at the moment. There's still a lot of bees going up there. There's the hive that they came from. I know it's a little close, but I don't think I have any alternative. Maybe tonight I can move it on a little further away, because I could definitely see bees going back and forth from here, which is probably not ideal. But I write that off as a successful captured hive, I hope. This is the hive that they came from. And they're starting to act a little weird, but they're queenless at the moment. Hopefully, the queen has laid an egg and they're going to turn it into a queen, if that's how it works.